Yes, Diving. Here, January 2nd. We Drewin It. Just good. Gonna do a quick after clean video. She cleaned up alright. She was pretty slimy. It might be cold, but the girth has not slid down. Took me about an hour to get cleaned up. But, it's just the little boy. She's got some really bad blisters all over. I'll go around to the port side. Got better visibility with the sun. You got some pretty bad chipping. And then all under this, you start to see some of these blisters here. Every spot, there's a little spot of orange as a blister. And then on the hull, they're pretty much everywhere. But let's go take a look down there, see how she looks. Diving. Thank you very much.